Welcome to this video about Adcreative.ai, an artificial intelligence platform that helps businesses create high-quality marketing content quickly and easily. Adcreative.ai is an AI-powered platform that enables businesses to create stunning and effective marketing content in just minutes. Whether it's social media ads, video content, or product images, Adcreative.ai can help businesses create compelling content that resonates with their target audience. Adcreative.ai uses a combination of machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to analyze and understand the content and context of a business's marketing needs. It then uses this information to generate high-quality content that aligns with the business's brand and messaging. For example, if a business needs to create a social media ad targeting a specific audience, Adcreative.ai can generate multiple variations of the ad based on the audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. This helps businesses ensure that their marketing content is optimized for maximum engagement and conversions. Adcreative.ai offers a range of features and tools to help businesses create effective marketing content quickly and easily. Here are some of the key features. Content library. Adcreative.ai has a vast library of high-quality images, videos, and other content that businesses can use to create their marketing materials. This makes it easy to find and incorporate relevant and eye-catching content into marketing campaigns. Customization options. Adcreative.ai allows businesses to customize their marketing content to align with their brand and messaging. This includes the ability to adjust fonts, colors, and other design elements, as well as adding logos and other branding elements. AI optimization. Adcreative.ai uses machine learning algorithms to optimize marketing content for maximum engagement and conversions. This includes analyzing ad performance and making real-time adjustments to improve results. There are many benefits of using Adcreative.ai for businesses. Here are some of the key benefits. Saves time. Adcreative.ai helps businesses create high-quality marketing content in minutes, saving time and resources that can be used for other important tasks. Improves ROI. Adcreative.ai's AI optimization helps businesses achieve better results from their marketing campaigns, leading to improved ROI. Increases engagement. Adcreative.ai's high-quality content and customization options help businesses create marketing materials that resonate with their target audience, increasing engagement and brand awareness. In conclusion, Adcreative.ai is an AI-powered platform that helps businesses create stunning and effective marketing content quickly and easily. With a range of features and tools, Adcreative.ai offers businesses a simple and cost-effective way to improve their marketing campaigns and achieve better results.